Hello guys, and today we're ranking 100 games, well 100 plus games. We're not going to do it all in this video, but we're going to try and get through all of these. So if you could leave a like, that'd be nice. And let's get into it. Street Fighter 2. It was good. Oh, it was a mixture between good and decent. Um, good. Just put in good. Smash Bros. Ultimate. Yeah, I really like the game. Probably amazing. It's probably one of my favourite Nintendo games of all time. So yeah, BioShock I haven't played. Fallout New Vegas I haven't played any of the new Fallouts. Castlevania I played this round my uncle's once. It's decent. I didn't understand the game at all. I was quite young, but most of the things I remember, it was okay. So yeah, Half-Life never played. Please, I don't know what this game is. I'm sorry. I will try and find out what it is. I just really don't know. If someone could tell me in the comments what this game is, that'd be nice. Until Dawn never played. Warframe. Warframe. I haven't played the new one, but this one was decent. Again, it's better than Castlevania, but it was just decent. Not good, just decent. Just yeah. Uncharted 4. I think this was a PlayStation exclusive. I'm more of an Xbox person, but no consoles. I just prefer Xbox. But I like both consoles. I've just grew up with Xbox, so I haven't played whatever that is. Battlefield 1. Um, I'll probably have to put it in very good. I was never a big fan of the Battlefield line. I just turned American for a second then, I'm sorry. I've never been a big fan of the line, but this was quite good. Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Again, I played this with my friends a couple of times. I would probably have to put it in. I'll put in good. I'll say it's the same as Street Fighter, like the same, not the obviously not the same as Street Fighter. I mean like the same of goodness, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna put it in good. Red Dead. Oh, I said that out loud. I'll probably put it in great. Amazing story, like amazing everything. It's just a great game overall. Dota 2. I've never played this game, so I can't rate it. I've seen people stream it all the time, especially back in like 2016. Well, a lot of people played it, but yeah, it's still a popular thing. I don't think in my country though. I've never played that. Halo Reach. Again, as I'm an Xbox person, I'd probably put Halo Reach here, just because I played it a lot, and it's just very good. Probably put it in front of Battlefield. I am not too sure what Sonic this is. The only Sonic I've played is Sonic Generations, but if we're counting it for all of the Sonics, which let me just check real quick, because I need to make sure I'm not counting if there's any more Sonics. For the time being, we're going to put it in have not tried. I've never tried that. Arkham City, I'm pretty sure I got this off like a Game Pass deal once. I would say it's good. Yeah, it was just going good. It's a decent Batman game. No, it's a good Batman game. That's why I'm putting it in good, not decent. Yeah. Jungle Party. I've not tried. Modern Warfare 3. Very good. I liked it. Very toxic, but that's Modern Warfare. Crash Bandicoot. I've never played a game of Crash Bandicoot in my life. Mass Effect. Never played. Final Fantasy. Fantasy 11. I think it's Final Fantasy 11. Great. It was a great game. Yeah. Watch Dogs. I've never played Watch Dogs. A lot of my friends do. I haven't. Uncharted 3 never played. I've never played that. I have never played that. Star Wars 2. Lego Star Wars 2. The complete trilogy. I'll probably have to put it in very good. I played it on my DS, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Shadow of Colossus, never played. XCOM 2, I've heard about this game. I've just never played. Brotherhood, okay. Brotherhood would probably be in good. Yeah. There's nothing else I can say about this game, it's just good. It's good. It's good as Assassin's Creed. GTA 4, I've never played. Metal Gear Solid, never played. Black Flag. It's probably gonna be very good. I like Black Flag. Yeah. Smite. I've seen a lot of good things about this game. But I've not tried myself. Doom, I'd probably put Doom in decent. I was never a fan of Doom, in my opinion, but it was just decent enough. So, Borderlands 2. I played it, but it was really hard to get achievements. But it was just good. It was a good game. I did not enjoy the Fortnite crossover though. That was when I was like stopping playing Fortnite for that time, but yeah. Final Fantasy. I can't see what the Final Fantasy 12. I have not played Watch Dogs 2. Never played Dark Souls. I have played Dark Souls. I have. I'm pretty sure. Dark Souls 3. Oh no, I played the first one. I played the first one. Yes, this is the one I played. Very good. It reminds me of Pyrocynical a lot, but everything else is very good. Shadow of War, have not tried. Need for Speed. I would probably put Need for Speed. I'm not a big fan of racing games, but it's good. It's a good racing game. I wouldn't say it's like Forza Horizon, kind of good, but yeah, it's still good. Odyssey. Odyssey would probably be in very good. I liked Odyssey probably more than I liked I'd probably put Odyssey at the back. Like this order. That order. Yeah. I've never played that. Never played that, I don't think. Odyssey, Assassin's Creed. It's probably decent. I like how I say probably, like I don't know. Odyssey is decent in my opinion. It's not Brotherhood tier, but it's just decent enough. Mortal Kombat 11. Okay, I liked Mortal Kombat. This would probably go in very good. No, just good actually. Yeah, there's not much I can say about this game, to be honest. Modern Warfare. If it wasn't for Warzone, I would probably just put it in decent. But actually, I'm not even going to count Warzone. It's going to be decent. I'm not a fan of the campaign. The multiplayer is okay. But that's it. I don't remember this Doom thumbnail, so I'm not going to count it. I don't know you. League of Legends, probably. League of Legends. I was never a fan of League of Legends. I won't lie to you. Overwatch. Overwatch was just very good. It was my type of game, to be honest. So, Crash Bandicoot, again, I said I didn't play. God of War. Which one was this? God of War 3. Okay, I love Greek mythology. Like, it's really good. I'm probably gonna put God of War on great. I haven't actually ever got the game myself, but I've got friends. Yeah. Dragon Ball FighterZ. I've never played that. I've only played Xenoverse. Far Cry 5. I've never played. FIFA 20. Again, FIFA's fine. Like, I like FIFA. I just don't play it much. But FIFA 20 is probably going to be good. The best ones were probably 15, 15, 14, 16. You know them ones. So Tetris. Right, I like Tetris a lot. Probably amazing. It's been a popular game for years, and so that's why I'm putting it there. Just for how long it's been a thing. Fortnite, I don't play anymore. The game is not necessarily bad. I'm just not a fan of the toxicity of the Fortnite community. So yeah, if that was like, if we were including the communities, then this would probably be really bad. But just decent. Actually, no. If League of Legends there, then Fortnite should be there. World of Warcraft. I have played this before. It's very good. And I think I remember a South Park episode of World of Warcraft as well. Emerald, Emerald. I've never played Pokemon Emerald. I don't think I played this God of War. GTA 5. I would probably put it in great. It's something you would only play with friends. So I've never played this. Never played this. I'm pretty sure this is Injustice. I've never played any Injustice. Lego Indiana Jones. Probably gonna be a great. I love Lego games. Star Wars 2, the second one. Very good, but it's not like that good. if you know what I mean. Alright, amazing. I love this one. The Complete Saga, all 6 episodes, not including the sequels, but it's just a very good game. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, I'm pretty sure. Good. I'll probably say this is good. Yeah, I'll just leave that good. Galaxy, I've never played. Minecraft. Minecraft. Great. Minecraft's a great game. Yeah. So I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah. Like that. I've never Counter-Strike. I'm guessing this is just I've never played Counter-Strike. I played Global Offensive. Not this one. Pac-Man, I would probably put Pac-Man in Amazing. It's something you can non-stop, like you just forget how long you played it for. It's one of them games. We haven't done bad so far, guys. We've gone through a lot, so I could probably make 2 or 3 videos on this. We're probably gonna finish on this line, yeah. Alright, have not tried this game. Sword is good. One of the newer ones, I think, for the Galar region. And it's set in my country. Well, yeah, it's set in the UK. So I think that's quite good. Quite cool. Well, UK, Britain, UK. Ping pong. Oh, I'm sad to say I haven't played this game, but damn, I will play it after this. Portal 2 is great, in my opinion. I really like Portal 2. Yeah, I would put it next to GTA. In between these two. Portal, I've never played the original Portal. Never played this. Resident Evil 2. Where would I put Resident Evil 2? I've only played 2 Resident Evils. This one and 7, which I believe is Biohazard. 2 is probably going to be good. It's quite scary. Not a lot though. Never played that. Never played that. Never played that. Super Mario 2, I've never played. Super Mario Galaxy 2, never played. And because I haven't played them 2, I'm probably gonna finish off with these 3. Terraria, probably great. I need to stop playing, saying probably. Better than Minecraft. My opinion. Leave your opinion down in the comments. Skyrim. Which one is this? Yeah, I really don't know about this one. I can't read this one, so I'm just gonna put Skyrim here. If it's the Elder Scrolls, I forgot the other one. I know one of them's called the Elder Scrolls because that's the one I've played. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. I'm gonna put it in good. Actually, no, very good, very good. Finally, The Last of Us, the last of this video. funny joke I am going to put in great. Boom. That is it of today's video. I've been uploading a lot more recently, which I think is quite good because my upload schedule's been really bad. So yeah, I'm gonna try and upload 5 times a day at best, at maximum. Minimum, no, 5 times a day, 5 times a week. Minimum's probably going to be 2 or 1 times a week. That's on a busy day. But because of lockdown and everything, I'm just here chilling. I'm back in school at the moment, so I'll be quite busy there and do my homework. So, but I'm gonna go. See you guys later for part 2, which will come out after tomorrow or today. So, yeah, see ya.